Alright guys, it's Sarah at SCENTBOX, and today we're going to be looking at a scent that my husband actually got from Scentbird. If you don't know what Scentbird is a monthly subscription. They have all different kinds of fragrances for men and women, perfumes, colognes. They also have lotions, candles, even lip balm, stuff like that. So definitely check them out. I'll be leaving all the links and everything down in the description below. And they actually have a referral program. So if you use my link to sign up, I'll get a free scent and you'll also get a free scent. That'll be greatly appreciated. But like I said, I will leave the link in the description. I believe Scentbird is $14.99 a month if I'm not mistaken. Definitely a good deal because I feel like you don't have the commitment of buying a whole bottle of a perfume or a cologne and then possibly not like it or getting burnt out of it. You get a good little sample size. If you do want to buy the whole bottle, you do have that option as well. So without further ado, today we're going to go ahead and look at a scent that's very popular in the cologne world. It is Valentino Uomo Acqua. Here's the little atomizer, and we also have the little card that tells you about it. There's what the actual full bottle looks like. And then on the back it has the keynotes. I'm going to go over it. So it says, earthy, uplifting top notes of juicy mandarin and savory tomato leaf introduce an aromatic heart of tart, dry sage, and deep satisfying patchouli over a base of sophisticated iris and leather. And the keynotes are tomato, iris, mandarin, patchouli, and leather. And it says this is made in Spain. So let's go ahead and give it a little smell test. Nice. Okay, so just in the little atomizer you can smell it pretty good. But let's go ahead and give it a spray test. Oh, I didn't really get much of a spray on there. Okay, there we go. Now I got a good spray. Definitely smells good. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like an older scent, not necessarily like old man, like bad, just like a you know how some scents kind of have like a powder kind of smell to them? It kind of smells like that, but it's definitely a good smell. It's kind of light, especially once it settles in a little bit. It's not super pungent. I don't know, I like that one. It's not necessarily one of my favorite scents that I've smelled, but it is definitely good. I can't say that it's a bad one either at the same time. So definitely like that smell. I know that the Valentino Uomo Acqua is definitely popular, like I said, so definitely a good choice. I do like that. And like I said before, if you do want to check out Scentbird, I'll leave links and everything down in the description below. Definitely want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching. If you do like the video, make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one.